Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma for VS Code extensions. To begin, open your VS Code Marketplace and search for the official Figma extension. Install it, then authenticate using your Figma account credentials. This simple setup connects your design files directly to your coding environment, allowing for a more integrated workflow. It's designed to bridge the gap between design and development, making collaboration smoother and more efficient for everyone involved. Once set up, you can open any Figma file directly within VS Code. Select a design element to instantly see its properties, such as a font size of 16 pixels or a color hex code like #FFFFFF. You can then copy the corresponding CSS or React code with a single click. This feature significantly reduces manual transcription errors and saves valuable development time. Plus, any changes made by your design team in Figma will reflect almost immediately in your VS Code view. The primary benefit is a dramatically improved developer experience, eliminating constant context switching between Figma and VS Code. Developers can access precise design specifications, like a border radius of 8 pixels, directly alongside their code. However, be aware that loading extremely large Figma files within VS Code might occasionally introduce slight performance delays. It's generally optimized for efficiency, but very complex projects could test its limits. So, which approach is better? For most professional front-end development, the Figma for VS Code extension is highly recommended. It offers a streamlined workflow, reducing errors and saving many hours of development time. While manually inspecting designs in a browser tab is still possible for quick checks, the extension provides a more robust and integrated solution. It's a powerful tool for maintaining design consistency and accelerating your development cycle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.